Hey everybody, and welcome to another viral video tutorial. In this video we are going to show you how can we filter out an advanced pivot table. So we are going to filter values form. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notification. Let's get started. So here we have item numbers and respective model number, and we are going to make pivot table and filtering out with this model number count. So first of all, we are going to create pivot table. So we'll be going first insert and then pivot table, and it takes all the data, and we will create a new worksheet. So here is our pivot table format. So we have two columns, one is item number and another is model number. So we will and where you can see rows, values, columns, filters. So item numbers will be keep in rows, and we will be counting the model number of this item number. For that we will be keeping this model number into values. And now we have seen this is sum of model number, but we need count. So for that we will be going here and choosing here count. Okay, here we can see the count of model number of item numbers. For we are going to look for this item, here is count 2. So we'll be going here, and you can see here by filtering here also. So we're copying this and paste it here. You can see here the count is only 2, so this is correct, but now we will filter it out. Then this is one new trick. So you can select here by filtering here, you can do, but you can't filter this number. You can see here there is only one filter, but we need here. So how can we do that? So for this we will come beside this and enter Shift Control L. So you write down there Shift plus Control plus L. If you type this beside this column, you can get filter. So by here you can filter it here and see. So this is one new trick. So this has been a viral video tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.